The decision that changed everything overnight, as we highlighted in April, tools like Claude Code, Lovable, Replit, and the implications are staggering. However, these AI-generated applications often exhibit distinct characteristics, with subtle design choices leading to a visually appealing but ultimately flawed user experience.
Vid sponsor index backlinks and pages fast ultimateindexing.com. Watch until end for discount.
The primary indicator, the app's design is monotonous and generic. Donghoon Shin, a researcher in human-computer interaction at the University of Washington, has published findings on how vibe coding has contributed to design standardization. Savik Das, an associate professor at Carnegie Mellon University's Human-Computer Interaction Institute, attributed this to a regression to the mean phenomenon. Priyanshi Bansal, a product manager in India, used Claude to create an app that assists users in selecting gifts for loved ones.
Index backlinks and pages fast ultimateindexing.com. Enter Social 20 for 20 discount at website checkout. Like us, comment and subscribe. Thank you.